Hello students, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to see question number 17 of GATE 2022 question paper. According to question, the neutral point in rolling is defined as the point along the surface of contact between the rolls and the seats where the surface velocity of the rolls is 0, half the velocity of the seats, twice the velocity of the seat, equal to the velocity of the seat. So first of all we will see the fundamentals, then we will take the correct answer. Now we will draw a diagram to understand this. From the left side we have entry point and from the right side we have exit point. Now we have diagram here. In the rolling operation, the neutral point, that is no slip point, is here where N is indicated, that is this point. This is called the neutral point or no slip point, and this is a critical location where velocity of the workpiece, that is seat, matches with the velocity of the roll surface. Velocity of seat equal to velocity of roll surface. The velocity of the roller may be written as VR equals to 2 pi Rn upon 60 meter per second. Now in the figure we can see that Vi is the velocity at which the workpiece, the metal sheet, is entering into the work roll. Then Vf is the velocity of exit. B is the width of the sheet, which is supposed to remain constant during the rolling process. And Hi and Hf are the initial and final thickness of the sheet. Now we can write a volume constant equation to see the relation between velocity at entry and exit. Therefore, this we can write rate of material entry equal to rate of material exit. So for this we can write mm cube per second. So now we can write initial volume entry, that is Hi into width B I into initial velocity Vi equals to final velocity Hf, width Vf and velocity Vf. As for rolling case, we know that width remains constant, so Bi equals to Bf equals to B. So the both will get cancelled and we can write Hi into Vi equals to Hf into Vf. Now clearly from the diagram we can see that entering thickness Hi is clearly more than Hf. So we can write from the above equation to Vi is less than Vf. This is one of the important relation where we can easily say that velocity at the entry is less than velocity of the exit. Velocity at entry less than velocity at exit. What more information we can extract from this diagram? So we can see that as the material is entering into the roller, the friction on the strip has to be in the same direction. So the friction on the strip is in the forward direction when the sheet is entering for the rolling. So at the entry point we can write entry point, friction on the strip is in forward direction, while friction on the roller at the same point, that is entry point is in the backward direction. Friction on roller at entry point is in backward direction. For the neutral point, where N is indicated, that is this one, we can say that there is no friction direction, and this is the point at which the direction of the friction acting changes. So the direction of friction changes at this point. When we move ahead at the exit point, that is here, we can say that friction on the strip acts on the backward direction now. Friction acts on the strip is in the backward direction. Whereas friction acts on the roller is in the forward direction. So for this question we have seen that at the neutral point in the rolling, velocity of the seat is equal to the velocity of the roll surface. So for this case we can easily say that option D is correct. If you like the video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video.